Just look at this colorful, beautiful and satisfying chicken rice that's perfect for your family. Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Bite Cooking. Today I'm making this delicious and flavorful chicken rice. It's simple, comforting and perfect for lunch or dinner. I had boiled my chicken and now I'm preparing the vegetables. I'm using onions, carrots, green peppers, garlic, ginger, turmeric to give this dish plenty of flavor. I'm adding tomatoes and then spices, salt, black pepper, paprika, seasoning cube, chili for extra color and warmth. Now it's time for me to add my rice. I added 1 cup of rice and mixed well so that the rice can combine well with the other vegetables. Now at this point you can add your chicken stock, or if you don't have, like me, it had already drained, so I added 2 cups of water so that it can help the rice cook and absorb every delicious flavor. So I'll cover it and let everything cook gently until the rice becomes soft and fluffy. Garnish with coriander and let it cook on low heat until it is well cooked. And yes, here is the final result, a beautiful, colorful and satisfying chicken rice that's perfect for the whole family. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you would try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.